I'm glad to be here. Thank you so much for the director and his team. Thank you, Nick. My friend here on my left, his name is Jewel on the guitar. And my other friend here, his name is Malcolm on the guitar and the vocals. It took time for me to really get the message out there. And I pray to God that let us unite together as a state for the welfare and the betterment of the society. This is No One Can Stop Us. People get ready, it's time for a change. A dosage is easy, let's get rid of this pain. Humanity will thank us, let's fight it with rage. This virus can't own us, God will keep us safe. No one can stop us if we change it for love. Our leaders are giving us the healing blessed from above. Together let's go and get it for all to be saved. Let's mend all broken hearts for shedding tears. Let's be brave. Wash your hands, wear your mask, don't let it go.
Oh no.
Let God's protection guide and bless us through. Heal the world for them, for me and you. No one can stop us if we change it for love. Our leaders are giving us the healing blessed from above.
Let's all take this chance now
To save our own race.
Mother Earth for her